Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're going to harvest some of our vegetables for dinner tonight and also to give some to our friends and neighbors. So there's our lettuce patch. We're going to harvest some lettuce, and in the front is some Mizuna that's kind of on its last leg. It's already bolting. So what we're doing is just taking off some of the bigger leaves and just going to let it grow. We found that we can get maybe 3, 4 harvests if we do it this way, and it'll grow back pretty much to the same size within a week. So what I'm doing there is when we planted this, we put the seeds in one central area. You notice I just took out a whole head. I'm thinning it there, and we're kind of doing an experiment. So I left some of it in the center of the plot, and others we transplanted out. Now it's time to harvest our cucumbers. So we only have one. The cucumber plant is on its last leg. We've got, I don't know, maybe 4 weeks of harvest from this thing. We've got a lot of cucumbers from this. So we're going to take this one, and this cucumber is going to one of our friends. Shout out to EC, who liked our cucumber video. So that cucumber is going to EC. So there's our shopping basket so far. I'm gonna pick some cilantro. Last time I forgot the cilantro. So this cilantro is kind of growing in the shade. That was a kind of an experiment as well. So cutting the areas that look like they're gonna bolt. It won't stop it from bolting, but it slows it down. So that's some cilantro for dinner tonight. Now we're headed off to our eggplant. This thing is pretty amazing. We got this plant from Kay's Greenery down the street. This thing has been pumping out eggplants for months. Notice the leaves are all kind of eaten out. There's my first one. That looks super good. This one, something ate it. But again, look at the leaves. They have these holes in them. Something likes the eggplant leaves and also our purple hibiscus leaves. Just gonna leave that there, and hopefully they'll eat that eggplant with a hole already instead of the other ones. So, since we are eating the eggplants, we can't shoot pesticides on the plant, but we shoot it around it. Uh, there's the monster one. I'm trying to get the camera there. This is a beautiful one. Check that guy out. Nice and purple and big. That one we're gonna give away. We're gonna eat the first one that we picked for dinner. I'm gonna make a video on how we make it. There's a smaller one. It's on the ground, so I'm gonna cut it because something's gonna bore holes in it. So we got 3 eggplants, some Mizuna, some lettuce, some cilantro, all set. Take it inside, and we're gonna wash the vegetables down. Uh, this takes a while, but want to be sure that they're nice and clean because again, um, there's rat lungworm on the Big Island. Haven't heard of any cases in a while, but just got to be safe. So the Mizuna, we're gonna do two things with it. The smaller leaves we're gonna use for salad. The bigger leaves we're gonna cook up. So it's super hot today, so some of the vegetables wilted as we drove back from Ocean View to our tiny house in Milodi, where I'm cleaning it at now. But we're gonna put it in Ziplocs, throw it in the refrigerator, and they'll be just like new. So all of this water that we have is we actually reuse this water. We use it for irrigation at our plot in Milodi. So I'm taking time to separate the Mizuna leaves. That's the most tedious because, again, the bigger ones will cook. The smaller ones we'll use for salad. There's that cucumber. Just clean that up. Take all the pokey stuff off. You can check that out. Really like Mizuna. I didn't like it at first, but it grew so well. Yeah, I thought that's a good source of vegetables. Put everything in Ziplocs and put it in the refrigerator. So it's about 11 in the morning here, and it'll be perfect for dinner. Just in time for dinner, and then we'll leave it at what we don't eat in the refrigerator and eat it throughout the week. We're going to give a couple of the eggplants away to our friends and neighbors. We use a lot of Ziplocs, especially on the Big Island. So now it's like the super tedious part of cleaning the lettuce, because the lettuce grows close to the ground. So we wash each leaf individually. And we really like this brand of lettuce that we got. We got the seeds off of Amazon, and this one really grows really well up in Ocean View. So found some other small Mizuna leaves, so I'll put them in the Ziploc. And pretty much done. So that's the lettuce that we harvested. It's more than enough for salad for dinner tonight. And it's super awesome. I really like this version of the lettuce, or this species of lettuce. Well, that's our harvest for this Saturday. Thanks for watching. We're going to make a video on how we prepare the eggplant, and we'll post that later on. Please like and subscribe. We're getting really close to 1,000. Take it easy, and aloha.